Where does the name for Bryn Cadno come from? So today we're in Colwyn Heights, which is a little bit of town just up in the hills south of Colwyn Bay. Now the Welsh name for this area is Bryn Cadno, which means Bryn, which is a hill, and Cadno, which means a fox. But unusually it's the South Welsh word for a fox. In the north we'd usually call it a llwynog, which comes from llwyn meaning bushes. Cadno is actually a person's name, and it comes from the word cad meaning battle, and a really old suffix, no, which is from Proto-Celtic no, which means to know, and it's used in lots of people's names. So Cadno is the knower of battle, Beino is the knower of blessing, or Tidno, like Llandudno, is the knower of the tribe. Anyway, that's what it means. It means the hill of the fox. Also, it's got one of my favourite views from up here. So over here we have Eryri, we have the Snowdonia National Park. Down there we've got Morfa Conwy, so you've got Conwy and Deganwy. Just about here you can kind of see the hill of Ardra, which is the old castle of Maelgwn Gwynedd, who used to rule over this area in the 6th century. You've got the Great Orme, a Gogarth. You have the Little Orme, just over, where am I pointing? Yeah, just over there. You can see all the way down into Colwyn Bay, and then sometimes you can see all the way along the coast almost to Liverpool. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more. Check out my Patreon if you want to support me in my expensive habits of eating and paying taxes. And yeah, share and subscribe. Have a good day.